Historic Columbus Crimes, Mamas in the Furnace, The Thing, and More by David Meyers and Elise Myers Walker. Copyright 2010, The History Press. When the body of Sally Dodge Cram was stolen from the Old North graveyard, it touched off an armed confrontation that was dubbed the Resurrection War. When the reclusive Fanny Hagelgans was found dead in her home, it looked like she had taken her own life. But had she? When an interurban car was held up one night, all the police had to go on was the suspect looked like a giant turtle with a vaguely human head. When the wife of Reverend Clarence Sheetsley was found in the furnace of their home, her children didn't seem to be a bit surprised or upset. When the body of Theora Hicks was found dumped beside a road, few would have suspected Dr. James Snook, a respected professor at Ohio State University. When a couple of serial killers murdered no fewer than 10 people in central Ohio, the so-called Son of Sam got all the attention. When Laura Carter was gunned down while riding in her parents' car, her death became the unlikely subject of a hit song by her roommate's boyfriend. When a former Miss Gay, Ohio, was brutally slain, the suspect was the only guy running through the neighborhood dressed like a ninja. When Dimebag Darrell met his end while in the midst of a performance, it was the day the music died all over again. Historic Columbus Crimes consists of 16 true tales of murder, mystery, and mayhem from the heart of Ohio.